Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. We're about to embark on an exciting journey to take control of our finances and build lasting wealth. To unlock your financial future, we have 5 steps to financial success. If you're ready to transform your financial life, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the world of personal finance and investing. Together, we'll explore 5 essential steps that will set you on the path to financial success. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up your money game, these tips will empower you to make informed financial decisions. Step 1. Setting financial goals. First things first, let's get clear about where you want to go financially. We'll guide you through the process of setting meaningful and achievable financial goals. From paying off debt to saving for that dream vacation, we've got your back. This crucial step involves gaining clarity on your short-term, medium-term, and long-term aspirations. By attaching time frames to your goals and putting them in writing, we make them tangible and motivating. Visualization exercises help you see yourself achieving these goals, fueling determination. Regular review, tracking progress, and seeking accountability and support ensure you stay on track. With this roadmap, you'll be empowered to make intentional decisions, turning your dreams into financial realities. Step 2. Creating a budget that works. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring. Discover the secrets to creating a budget that not only tracks your spending but also allows you to enjoy life. You'll be amazed at how this simple tool can supercharge your savings and open up new financial opportunities. This crucial step involves understanding your income sources and expenses, and prioritizing financial goals. We'll discuss the importance of flexibility, building savings and emergency funds, and making room for growth-oriented investments. By the end of this step, you'll have a personalized budget that aligns with your financial goals and empowers you to make intentional decisions. Step 3. Building your emergency fund. Life throws surprises our way, and we want you to be prepared. Learn why having an emergency fund is crucial for financial security and how to start building one, even on a tight budget. This crucial step involves understanding the importance of an emergency fund, setting a goal, and prioritizing fund building. We explore balance between building the fund and paying off debt, discuss where to keep the fund, and emphasize the importance of refilling it. By the end of this step, you'll have a fully funded emergency fund, providing peace of mind during uncertain times. Step 4. Conquering debt like a pro. Debt can feel like a heavy burden, but fear not. We'll share practical strategies to manage and conquer your debt, so you can move forward with confidence towards your financial goals. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first. As you eliminate debts one by one, you'll gain momentum and motivation to tackle the rest. By the end of this step, you'll be able to tackle your debt strategically. Step 5. Introduction to investing. Ready to make your money work for you? This crucial step involves understanding different investment options, assessing risk tolerance, and creating a personalized investment plan. We explore the importance of diversification, long-term investing, and cost efficiency. Staying informed, portfolio rebalancing, and seeking professional advice are also discussed. By the end of this step, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to embark on your investment journey. We'll introduce you to the exciting world of investing, demystifying common jargon and providing insights into various investment options. In these 5 steps, we begin by setting clear financial goals, creating a budget that aligns with those goals, and building an emergency fund. Next, we conquer debt with strategic repayment plans and focus on introduction to investing and developing a personalized investment strategy. By following these steps, you'll gain control over your finances, reduce debt, secure a financial safety net, and be equipped to start investing wisely. This strong foundation sets you on the path to achieving long-term financial success and a brighter financial future. Join our rapidly growing community of financially savvy individuals by hitting that subscribe button. We're all about fostering a supportive and engaging environment, where you can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from one another. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Let's take charge of our finances together and unlock the path to a brighter future. We'll see you in the next video as we continue on this incredible adventure towards smart finance investor. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who's ready to make their financial dreams a reality.